Well, in this week's Weather-Wise segment, what we're going to be talking about is something that happens a lot, especially in the last few mornings, fog. And there's multiple different types of fog. We have advection fog, radiation fog, steam fog, upslope fog, precipitation fog, and valley fog. Now, there's multiple different forms, but two mainly affect us here on Delmarva, and that would be the top two. So we're going to talk about advection fog at first. Advection just means a horizontal moving of an air mass. So we get warm and humid air sliding over top of the cool ground that is going to drop the temperature right at the surface of the ground. As that temperature drops, humidity increases, and then we actually have a fog, the cloud starting to form on the ground, otherwise known as fog. Now, another type of fog that we talk about here on Delmarva, it's what we've been seeing the last couple of mornings, is radiation fog. So throughout the day, the heat of the sun kind of builds into the area, kind of heats up the ground. But at night, without any clouds to kind of keep the heat in, that heat has to escape. So as it escapes at night, we start to see the temperature dropping at the ground level, and that reduces the humidity levels down to complete saturation. So once we have complete saturation at the ground, a cloud begins to form again, and that fog will get thicker and thicker and thicker as we go through the night. Now, there's a couple things that kind of prevent fog from really forming, and that would be wind. If we even see a light wind, it kind of dissipates this fog as it pushes through the area. So we see that patchy fog. That's in some areas that are protected a little bit from the wind. But nonetheless, we are talking about some possibility for some foggy conditions later tonight and early for your Thursday morning tomorrow.